Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4. This is actually the 2022 model, and this is by pink slips by Jada actually. But again, I'm saying this is by Majorette. So they just rename it to Jada and they're selling it. So again, in this particular box, it is not mentioned. Again, if you guys followed Jada ties, from the beginning, you might know this by right now. These are exact Majorette castings only with recolors. That's it. Nothing else is added or removed here. So okay, let's unbox this one. I don't know if I'm going to keep this card, but let's see. I'm saving a lot of garbage like this nowadays. Okay, let me throw this out. Anyway, we have a box here. Okay, let me tell you one small difference between Jada and I mean the name variation. So when it comes to Majorette, Majorette did the this exact casting in that in this Dubai police livery and white paint as well, white color as well. So those are actually true to that exact car, that white color, because we unboxed this exact Countach multiple times in this channel by different brands, by Tomica, by Mini GT. Last time, the recent one was the beautiful one, which was done by Pop Race, and this one is now, it's the same casting, but this is by, Jada or Majorette. No, I do have one Majorette on the way. Maybe in some time, in near future, I will receive it. Maybe in couple of months or so. I'm not sure when I will receive it, but but it's on the way. So that's the original one I actually ordered, but since I went to Malaysia before that, I was able to find this one, so I bought it. And it was only one bag, was available when I actually bought this one. Okay, so there is nothing else inside the box. This is pretty typical Majorette's carry, this storage box. Nothing else is inside. The only difference between, like I was saying, main difference being is the colors. These are having flashy colors compared to the Majorette ones. Okay, just movable parts as you can see. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks so beautiful. Okay, it has some scratches here, but apart from that, I don't see any issue. The casting looks absolutely gorgeous. Acrylic insets for headlights, awesome. And let's see the tail lights here. Okay, usually they don't put acrylic insets for tail lights. Yeah, you can see these are just painted on it, embossed and painted. And the logo placement is really nice. It has exhaust details as well, and it has plastic chassis. Yeah, you can see it here right now. It is mentioned as Majorette. Okay, so even you can see the manufacturer also here. They're the same. This Dicky. Okay, I can't able to pronounce that one. My name. So you get the point, right? This is a Majorette. Okay, so but at least this doesn't seem to have this clearance issue. Let's see. Okay, this has good detailing actually. Full metal body, plastic chassis, rubber wheels, and good interior detailing as well. And let's see how the stance is. It does have suspension, which is really nice. So okay, I don't know where I kept the Pop Race one, but it is under a separate box. Okay, I will be doing a comparison video, and I'm just going to start a segment separately for that, maybe in next set, in next batch, because I want to unbox a couple of cars in the same brand first, and then I wanted to do that separately instead of just showing it in a video and just extending this video's time itself for a very long time. I will be doing that for sure very soon. So this one has openable doors, the scissor doors, which is really nice. So if you, I don't know if how many of you guys know this, but Lamborghini only gives scissor doors for their flagship models. So like the Countach or the Murcielago or even the Aventador. But when you take Huracan actually doesn't have scissor doors. That has normal doors only, because that is supposed to be a mass production car. Okay, it does fit in really nice. Again, these are rubber wheels. It has suspension, so you can see that gap here. So it has written PS here, which is just pink slip, short form for pink slip. It does have good detailing to it. Honestly, see, if you buy this in India, this will come somewhere around. So this will come under deluxe edition. Deluxe edition back then it costed, I think, 450 or 449, around that range. I don't remember. So I need to see my older that Sian and Bugatti Chiron par sport videos. So this is actually the deluxe version, because deluxe version has everything except metal chassis. It has only plastic chassis, but I really love the acrylic inserts and all. That is really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 35 grams, not bad. Okay, so let's do a roll test real quick. Surprisingly, for a majority, it rolls really well. It has a lot of wheel wobble. I am not going to deny that, but at least it rolls better compared to the other majorities which we normally unbox. But you can see the wheel wobble, right? You can see the wheel wobble on both. Let me just try to zoom in a little bit. But it does roll really well. I'm happy about that. Even though I'm not going to play with it, but it is really nice to know that it rolls really well. But overall, it's a beautiful casting. If you get a chance to buy this one, either under the name of Jada or under the name of Major, whatever it is, my suggestion would be go and buy it. If you love flashy colors, then go for Jada pink slips. But if you want to go for authenticity of colors, then go for Majorette ones. I mean, which comes under Majorette's brand name itself. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.